What's up, everybody? I'm the Homeschool Dad, and welcome to another video of the Homeschool Tips. Today is going to be nutrition, all right? I do smoothies every single day. You stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. You will know that I do smoothies just about every day for Zakai, all right? So, the idea of the smoothie is to get the dark green, leafy green vegetables in their system. All right, kids do not like to just eat this in a salad. Some do, some don't. Well, I'm talking about the hardcore stuff. I'm talking about collard greens. These are organic collard greens, and the idea is to get these in the kids' system. Collard greens work wonders for your body. Trust me. You can eat. You can also do kale. I'm not doing kale today. We're gonna focus on these collard greens. All right. Collard greens has a lot of minerals, iron, has all kind of stuff that heals your body. It's very, very powerful. It is a superfood of the planet, right? We also got the superfood, the organic blueberries, and here's another mango. This is organic mango juice, okay? Nectar juice. All right, it's very simple. I'm only gonna have these few ingredients. I was gonna put a banana in there, but unfortunately, my bananas are still green, all right? So I got them in the bag right now. All right, so let's just get started. We're gonna take the collard greens, right? I already washed them. And we are gonna I'll put them all together. And I put the whole bag in there. You just got one bag, just take it and you just roll it up like this. Roll them up. And then you go cut them, right? Cut the greens. Yeah. Those were some beautiful collard greens. Did you see the veins on those? Those are awesome. And so, this is it, man. This will prevent a lot of things too. You know, if you want to get them collard greens, you want to get any type of dark green, leafy green vegetable in the kid's system. All right? When you're making a smoothie. Because, you know, nowadays, you know, kids are kids. Kids are going to be kids. When I was a kid, what did I eat? I ate Twinkies. And I know you ate Twinkies. Don't you lie. Don't lie. I know you ate Twinkies. All right? Don't play with me. You know what I'm saying? So they're going to be kids. We ate cereal, right? I ate cereal. When I was growing up, me and my sister ate a whole box of the Smurf cereal. A whole box. Because asked her mom, it was a Saturday. We said, Mom, can we have some Smurf cereal? She said, yeah, you can have as much as you want. Man, we down that, and this is when the boxes were huge, right? We ate that whole box that day. My mom was so mad. She's like, why'd you eat the whole box? I said, man, well, you said that we can have as much as we want. So, kids are gonna be kids, and I'm not saying don't not give them that type of stuff. What I'm saying is just make sure that I call it a detox. Just make sure you get some dark green, leafy green vegetables in their system, you know, to go along with their diet. You know what I mean? Get this stuff in their system. Get smoothies in their system. Get organic blueberries in their system, and bananas. Get the bananas in their system. But I'm telling you, these right here. All right. On this channel, you're gonna notice I make a lot of collard green smoothies, a lot. And I mean, it's just, you know, I like it. And this is something that you're supposed to have anyway, right? So if you're supposed to have it anyway, then I'm a smoothie. I'm gonna tell you one thing I'm not gonna do, and I'm one of those people that will, and my son Zakai, he's not one of those people that's just gonna sit down and eat a salad. He ain't gonna do it, man. Sometimes, maybe if my wife make it, he'll eat it, but not if I make it. He is not gonna eat it. All right, here we go. Organic, okay? You wanna always try to get all the stuff that you buy, you wanna try to just get it as much organic as possible. All right, so we wanna stay away from the pesticides, right? I already told you the story about the greens, the collard greens. I'll tell it now. It was a situation we had. I got some collard greens from the store, and I opened it. It's in a plastic bag, right? So I cut it open, opened it up, and there was still a spider in there, alive. So that let me know that it did not get sprayed with pesticides. It's organic. So that was confirmation for me, right? Don't want no pesticides up in here. All right? I know, you're thinking, dang, how did that thing pulverize on collard green to where it's now liquid? Because that's what it is, it's now liquid, see? That's crazy, huh? But this is how we get the collard greens in our system. You know, when you boil the collard greens, you gotta understand there's a gas liquid state, right? So solid, liquid, and gas state. So when you put the collard greens in and you start boiling it, now it's solid, but solid also turns into a gas state of the collard greens. That's why you smell, you walk in the house, you smell collard greens. But that's the gas state of the nutrients of the collard greens that's coming out, and you're smelling it. So when you put it on the stove, it depletes the nutrients. You understand? But it does not deplete all the nutrients. Okay? It doesn't deplete all of them, because some people actually cure themselves with certain diseases with these collard greens. All right? So it doesn't deplete it all. It's just that I like to have it all. I like to have all the nutrients in here. So that's why I don't put it on the stove or nothing. We do the juice. Okay? It's thick, but it'll do. All right, these cups right here. I'm sorry. If you live anywhere near the Northern California, you can go to the Dollar Tree and try to find these. But sorry, remember I told you in a few episodes back that they shrunk it to half the size. Oh, it's horrible. It's what I got as many. I got 7 of these things. I got 7 of them. So I had told you guys, hey, go to the Dollar Tree and get these cups, these mugs. And now they don't have it. See, that's what I like. Can't taste the collard greens because you got the organic mango in there and you got the organic blueberries in there. Delicious. And one thing about it, guys, you have to understand, make it cold as possible. The colder the better. Don't nobody want no warm smoothie. I'm telling you that right now. All right, we good. All right, we good. All right, so now I'm gonna get this going to the car. I'm gonna do one more spin, and I'm gonna get mine. And this is another quick tip for you, since I got you here on this episode, along with his vitamins, because I give him organic vitamins. So he also has organic vitamins, and he has this. So it's like a double whammy, you know what I mean? You don't have to, like, when you do this, you can also use vitamins. I mean, I give Zakai vitamins every day or sometimes every other day. Just a simple organic multivitamin. A lot of places don't have them, like stores. You have to order it online. All right. With that, guys, this concludes this video. You guys like, subscribe, tell a friend about me, okay? Because I can help them out. This is what I'm here for. I have 30 years of experience of what I do, okay? Homeschooling, I've been homeschooling Zakai since he's been in the 3rd grade. But as far as being at home with the kids and training them and teaching them schooling and stuff, that's 30 years, okay? Because I got 4 kids, all right? And they all turned out good. You know what I'm saying? So also their nutrition wise, they turned out really good. And I believe that one of the reasons that they turned out good is because we try to give them the good foods, as best foods as possible. Yeah, they ate dirty. They ate dirty sometimes, but like I told you, to me, this is like a detox. you get these type of smoothies, you get it in there, and you get them in a system, and they're getting all the nutrients. Plus, I also give them like the organic vitamins. So I'm not saying that tell your kid you can't eat nothing. You know, it's just that if you decide to feed that to them, just make sure that you get some dark green vegetables, leafy green vegetables in his system, so it can get in there, you know, and start grinding that stuff away, you know, and pushing it down out of their system, you know what I mean? And just getting all this good, this is brain food right here, just getting all this good stuff inside of their system. You know, you don't want them getting all clogged up. You know, it's not a good thing, bro. It's not good at all. So, you know, practice smoothies, all right? Practice smoothies. Smoothies are fun. The kids are gonna love these smoothies, bro. And plus they get the nutrition in. All right, with that, I am the homeschool dad, and I will see you on the next video.